tap on new project button to start the new project. Select the video which should appear after the transition, so that will be on the main track. Click on the overlay button, then click on the add overlay button. Now select another video which should be the starting video before the transition. It's not filling the complete canvas, so with 2 fingers try to zoom in the overlay video so that it fits the screen. Let's preview the video by tapping on the play button. So basically this tree we are going to use for the transition. To have the precise frame selection, you can drag the timeline like this with the 2 fingers, and you can then see between 0 to 1 second there are 5f, 10f, 15f. It means 5 frames, 10 frames, 15 frames. So in between you can select like this. While the overlay video is selected, at the bottom you can see different options, and then there is a mask option. Click on that, then click on the split option. As soon as you click, you can see at the bottom is the main track video, at the top is the overlay video. If you click on the invert button, at the top will be then main track video, at the bottom will be the overlay video. I am going to keep the default one. Now let's rotate this yellow line to the 90 degree because the trees are vertical, and that we are going to use as a masking. On the left hand side there is a white circle with 2 arrows. I will show what it does. Currently there is a hard transition between these 2 videos, but as soon as you drag it on the left hand side, you can see that there is a blending between the 2 videos. So what it does is it makes the opacity of both the videos, I think 50%, and then just blends them together. So I will bring it back to its default position. Now if I drag this yellow line on the right hand side, it will uncover the main track video, and if I move it on the left hand side, it will uncover the overlay video. So for the masking transition, we have to move this yellow line automatically as the video plays, and that can be done with the help of the keyframes. For now we will move it completely to the left hand side because initially we want the overlay video to be visible. Now click on OK button, then move the timeline till we see the tree. Okay, so till this position it is okay, so we will add the keyframe at this position. So you can see there is a red or pink color diamond shape has been added on the overlay video timeline. Now click on the mask, move the timeline a little bit further, and then drag this yellow line towards this side till this point. Then if I click on the OK, you can see the another diamond has been added automatically, and what happens between these two is, as you can see, this yellow line is automatically moving. So click on the mask. It looks very hard transition, and to avoid that, let's drag these 2 arrows on the left hand side a little bit, so it gives a blending between the 2 videos. Again move it further, and it's a little manual process, you need to do it, and it might take some time. Click on OK, and let's preview the video. And it looks perfect. To export the video, click on this arrow button and the video will be exported. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, like this video. I also make the tutorials for the Alight Motion app. The tutorial list can be found in the link which is in the description. The videos can be downloaded from the Pexels website. The link is also provided for these demo videos in the description. Stay safe, stay healthy.